The Belemay leather case brings a touch of sophistication to the Galaxy S25 Ultra with its premium, top-grain crazy horse leather construction. Made from USA-sourced leather, this case develops a beautiful patina over time that tells the story of your device. I particularly appreciate how scratches and marks blend into the leather rather than detracting from it, creating that coveted vintage look that's hard to find in modern cases. What sets this case apart is its attention to detail. The CNC machine metal buttons provide excellent tactile feedback, while the electrophoretic camera bezel adds both style and protection. Inside, the microfiber lining ensures your phone stays scratch-free, and the precision cutouts maintain a clean, professional appearance. The built-in MagSafe array works flawlessly with magnetic accessories and wireless chargers, making it a versatile choice for everyday use. However, like Samsung's Kind suitcase, you'll need to accept that genuine leather requires more care and won't last as long as synthetic materials. The case will show wear more quickly than TPU or silicone alternatives, though leather enthusiasts will likely see this as part of its charm. Also, while the vintage aesthetic is part of the appeal, those seeking a pristine look might want to consider alternatives. The price point is higher than many cases on the market, but that's expected given the premium materials used. For those who appreciate fine leather goods and want their phone case to age like a well-worn wallet, the Belemay leather case is a compelling option that adds both protection and sophistication to your S25 Ultra.